Hi, I'm Ken Steidl. The question here today is, what happens after the bankruptcy petition is filed? After the filing, there'll be a hearing in court that you have to attend with an attorney from our office. It's usually about a month and a half after the filing, and you'll have at least 3 to 4 weeks notice of that hearing. So the day of the hearing, one of our attorneys will meet you there about 15-20 minutes beforehand, and we'll prep you for your question and answer session with the trustee. The hearing will be in a room not very large, no courtroom, nobody there in robes with a gavel. It's not a threatening environment, and nobody's there to put your head under a guillotine or give you a hard time. They treat you with the utmost respect and dignity. And they're going to ask you a series of questions. The hearing should not take any more than 3 or 4 minutes on the average. And the trustee will conduct the hearing. Who's the trustee? The trustee is an attorney that works for the court, and their job is to make sure that all of the information that we provide in this paperwork is true and correct and accurate. And they'll ask pretty much the same kind of questions that you're asked when you're in the office preparing the paperwork to make sure it's true and correct. They'll ask your name and address. They'll ask if everything in the paperwork is true and correct, and if it lists all your debts and all your assets. They'll ask if you own any real estate, and if so, how you came up with the value of your real estate. If there was a market analysis, we can hand it right over to the trustee. They will ask if you expect to inherit any money from someone that's already deceased, or if you have any money that might be coming from a lawsuit, personal injury case, car accident. They'll ask if you filed all of your federal and state tax returns that have become due. They'll review your income and expenses, as we will do, to show that you can't afford to pay these people back, or if you're doing a Chapter 13, that you can afford to make the payments. And they'll ask what caused the bankruptcy, and that's multiple choice. Was it caused by loss of income, excessive spending, medical problems, divorce, failure of a business, or other? And you can give multiple reasons if you have multiple reasons, as many people do. And then you're free to go. So you will not be there very long. It's not at all threatening. And in many cases, I would say it's a very, very simple process. Thank you.